So welcome back to day 8. Today's problem is find the largest area of square inside two rectangles. In this question, we are given bottom left corners of rectangle and top right corners of rectangle. So basically, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and if you are given, this is bottom left corner, 2, 2, bottom left, and top right 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So this is the rectangle or square. It can be rectangle or square. So we are given two arrays. One array contains bottom left corners and second array contains top right corners. And what we have to find is the maximum area between at least two rectangles. For example, here you can see 1, 1 to 3, 3. So this is 1, 1. This is 3, 3. This is one a square. 2, 2 to 4, 4. This is one square, and 3, 1 to 6, 6. This is one rectangle. Between the first one and second one, this is the common area, and between second one and third one, this is the common area. But we have to find the maximum area of square. This area is bigger than this area, but this is not square. So that is the reason the only biggest square possible is 1 by 1. Either it can be this or this or this. Maximum area is 1 only. Now, how do we actually calculate it? What we will do, we will iterate over all the rectangles. So let's say there are 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will take a variable max area. First we will iterate to first rectangle. Then we will check area common of first rectangle with second rectangle. We will count the area. If it is present, then we will set maximum area to this area, let's say x. Then we will count the area, common area between first and third. If x is less than this, then we will update it, or else we will leave it as it is. Then we will check first with 4, then we will check second with third, second with 4, then third with 4. Like this we will check with each and every rectangle, and this max area at the end of the loop, this max area will be the maximum area between at least any two rectangles. So how do we actually calculate it? So see, if we have two rectangles, here you can see first rectangle's bottom left is x1 y1 and top right is x2 y2, and second rectangle's bottom left is x3 y3 and top right is x4 y4. So we have to find this area. This area we can find if we get this width and this height. If we get this width and height, we can find the area. Now, how do we actually calculate the width? For width, we will subtract. Sorry, my bad, guys. What we actually do is we check between this x4 and x2 which is the minimum, and we check from this x3 and x1 which is maximum. So whatever the maximum of this we get, let's say call it x double dash, and whatever the minimum of this we get, call it x dash. So the width is x dash minus x double dash. In this there is one thing, that if you would say x3 is greater than x2, then the width will come negative, and if width comes negative, then we will skip that iteration. Same goes with the height, and if width height also comes negative, we will skip that iteration, and then we will get width and height. So we have w width and h height. Now let's assume, here you can see, if we have this rectangle, this is the height and this is the width. You can see that we cannot get a square of side edge because there is no area present, but we can get the square of width y, because if we take height equal to W, here you can see we can get the square of side equals to width. What that actually means is we can get the square of the minimum distance between height and width. Then we will calculate that area, and that is it. We have the maximum area. Thank you.